Hello guys, welcome. Today we are going to change the profile picture of the current logged in user. So for that, what you need to do is you need to log into your Salesforce org first and then go to your avatar. This can be like, this is your view profile, and once you click on it, then these all details will come. So just click on this picture on the left of your name. Once we click on the picture, then the profile will open for the user, and from here you can click on this camera icon. From here you can view the picture. This is the photo, and you can view and you can update the photo. So I'll click on update the photo. This is your current photo, and once you click on upload image, go to the image which you want to upload. So I want to upload this image and open. Okay, so you can give the access also, show my photo on publicly accessible pages, sure, and click on save. So remember this guys, that the maximum size should be 16 MB for your picture, or it should be less than that. So once you change it, it will be visible here in your profile, and you can go to home, and instead of that default picture, you are able to see the picture which you have uploaded. Thank you guys for watching the video, and subscribe to the channel.